So we'll now discuss the positive impact of British rule on Indian economy. Though those impacts were not on a larger scale, but these are few positive impacts of British government over India. So the very first point is commercialization of agriculture sector. It is an important point with India's perspective, because before the colonial rule, the Indian economy was not introduced to commercialization. By commercialization, I mean to say introduction of those crops which are of commercial requirement. They are not food grains, but they help in increasing the exports of the country, like jute or cotton or other fibrous plants, as well as indigo, tea. So these all are commercial crops. So these were being introduced by the Britishers in India. Now India is a leading country in production of tea in the world, and so this has some positive impact on the Indian economy. We also export cotton wool, we also export jute fabrics or fibers to the world. So it has some positive impact on Indian economy. The second point is development of infrastructure. Just before this topic, we have this sector, we have discussed this sector, that is infrastructure. Though the development was not on a larger scale, they have introduced railways to Indian economy, and they have introduced the postal services and the telegram services to the Indian economy. So there were some efforts which were being taken by the British rule in this area, which is worth appreciating. Though the main reason to develop those areas or the infrastructure is to facilitate themselves, or is to benefit their own motives, but we got introduced by these infrastructural things due to British government. The third point, or the third positive impact, is check on famines. Under the colonial rule, there was this problem in the Indian economy, but after British government, there was a decline in the famine problem of the country. So that is also a positive impact of British government. The fourth point is effective administration. The Indian economy also get introduced with an effective administration due to Britishers. Before the colonial rule, the country was ruled by various individual kings, and the country was divided into various parts. So they have introduced an effective administrative system in the economy, which some of the features we have adopted in our constitution also. The fifth one is shift to monetary economy. Before colonial rule, Indian economy was not introduced with the monetary base or the money system which we prevail now, or which we have now. So that was also being introduced by British government. Before this, we used to have barter system or commodity to commodity system, or we used to have the golden or silver coins in exchange. We have to exchange gold or silver coins in exchange of goods and services. So basic monetary system was being introduced by British government. So these were the positive impacts of British government on India. First is commercialization of agriculture, second is development of infrastructure, third is check on famines, and fourth is effective administration, fifth is shift to monetary system. So these were the positive impacts, though they were not good enough or they are not sufficient enough, but they impacted our economy in a positive way.